welcome back. Cloverdale Diggers here. We're at one of the demo sites. My father does building salvage. He got the rights. Spun by here real quick on our way up to a cookout. So we're going to just check out real quick. Comes with the barn, a few outbuildings, and then a old log house. Did write in the contract we got permission for the content, so we're going to just walk around real quick, see what we got. We're in the barn right now. Used to be an old dairy, so maybe find a milk bottle or two. Here's a bucket of newer stuff. There's a pyro coke in there, nothing that intrigues me. So just going to keep on making our way around, see what we can get. If we do pull up anything, we will get back to you and show you what we find. Right, we're back here in one of the rooms, trying to see what we can get, moving stuff around. So far nothing out here, haven't found much, but going to open the fridge here, haven't opened it yet, so let's see what's in it. Here we go. Come take a look at this. You got all the old medication that was used. For the cows. Giant needle back there. So, and then pretty cool. So, you know, who knows what's all in there. So, fairly clean on the inside, so cool old fridge. So we're going to make our way over now to the house, see what we can get.
Anything?
I can see.
Yeah, I just kind of threw it.
Whoopsie.
I just sort of threw it along with the whole deal. Just said, yeah, give me the contents of that too.
Yeah.
There's a cool little metal box there.
The lunch box.
Yeah. What is it?
Toasty. I'm not sure. Walking up to the back, the rear of the house. Going to try to access the basement floor. You can see old log house pretty well. Rotten. So make our way to the basement.
What? Right there's the trim I was talking about.
There you can see there's an old sled here.
What's this? Yeah, don't.
And an old wagon of some sort right there. Old sled and old wagon that's going to get unburied then. Not today though. But make our way down in the basement. See what we can find. Pretty cool crock right there. Look how huge that thing is. Old cast iron pot. Milk jugs. Don't see anything. Maybe on the lid. The crock's pretty cool. Stand. 20 gallon. Keep on moving around here. Old vice there.
Try not to break. There are bead boxes. We'll see what we can there then.
So,
Fish gig. Frog gig.
pretty
cool.
That's an old wash. I think
That's like a potato bin, I think, or something. What's that one, Miller? I didn't even see that down here.
Willowbro's Dairy, good pyro, 2-color. So we bring that one home with us today.
I like the walls.
Yeah, the walls are nice. I like this. Though that tough.
Yeah, it's round nail though, but it's got a good look to it.
Oh, it's right. It looks nice.
So.
Is this what the whole house is like?
Or
even better?
the attic, yes.
Nice 2-color pyro there.
The second floor, there's not much on it. But that wallboard, I like the wallboard a lot down here.
Masons. More masons. So this is, you know, what we find when it comes to buying the contents of a building. So all this will be gone through, for now. Going to pick up a clock. See if it says Cowden. So no stampings on that one.
Bigger one.
And there's a bigger one there. Two color. Nothing on that one either. So we'll get that another day when we head on up here. I always make sure when coming to old buildings, I pop my head places where normally people wouldn't, and been able to pull a few good things just from where you wouldn't expect people. You know, people would drink and just throw the bottles everywhere. So in the back corners and all, you never know where stuff can be at. Alright. We will not be making our way up those staircases. So we're going to go out the view and keep on going up. This is the way you get in front.
Yeah. Yep.
Making our way in front now. More milk jugs. That one has writing on it. Nice little piece of furniture there. Another clamp. Huh. That's quite a sight in there. Couple things like that. What day is that? Making our way in.
Because I haven't been in since we made the deal on it.
Yeah. Got a heater for when it gets cold out. Few more jars over
I
here.
didn't even see that heater. Ooh, there's the Ron Burgers Dairy Cakes. I think that's out of Likens, Ron Burgers.
Well, what does it say there on the side?
No, never mind, it says Long Acres.
Three of Long Acres milk box.
Can't remember where they were from. That's cute.
What's that? Those over there, glass stones. What's that thing there? Fish tank or something.
Yeah, it's in, it can't be that old because it's in,
Let's just make a way out of that then. piece there. Hang that up and put all your little meds in it. Bromos.
That looks not real old, but pretty cute for that. Yeah.
Put your bromos in that. Oh my. More milk cans. Old dairy farm this used to be. Hat right there. Oh, they have one of the best albums of all.
What do we have?
Heart of My Heart. Peter Nero Summer of 42.
Here's a nice sign back here, Seth. Can you grab that for me? There's a whole bunch of artwork, too. All right, guys. Not a real old sign, but definitely not a repop. Brand new, right out of the house. That one's right.
All your milk jugs you could ever want. Here, look at this. Cool old. You got your calendars here. So, dairy calendars. Cinnamon Dairy, Washington. Cool pictures on it. They all filling up milk bottles, so bring those home. Those things are cool. We make them way upstairs then. Colder in the house than it is outside. Start with the bathroom first. When exploring old houses, always make sure to watch your step. Electric toilet tissue, the latest bathroom appliance. It's a corn on the cob. Tissue. For disposal only. So that's pretty cool. See what else.
Okay, guys, you know, some people dig in the ground for bottles, but other people like us, we might come in here and just wait for them to fall out of the attic. Cobalt on the pile. That's almost like that. Remember that that bottle that Ricky Wiener dug with the eagle on it?
Oh yeah, it's a Puce eagle.
I'm pretty sure this is. Now his was some funky. This is a lot nicer blue color.
Yeah.
And I think it's real similar to Ricky Wiener's eagle bottle that he had there.
Yeah. That's, yeah, put that right here for safekeeping.
No way. I always wanted one of them. My mom and dad would never spend the money for one. I don't know how much I'd stuff over there, so.
Nice shoe there, that might be nice. Your books. The book no one knows, but we know about it now.
Guys, I'm going to give you a little bit of a heads up here. If any of your kids are watching this, there's a lot of carnage over here in the next room. You'll probably want to tell the kids to avert their eyes so they don't see this.
It's bad.
It's bad. It's pretty bad, guys.
Oh. poor stuffed animal. Did you see all the paperwork in here? Would have been someone's paperwork throughout the years. Checks, bills, everything.
Well, ma'am, I think I figured out where your squirrels are getting in. I think you got a little hole in this room here that the squirrels are coming in through.
Look, another one, man, right there. What's that, a ladle?
Yeah.
Oh, there's one there
Oh, you're
too.
stuck over there on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm going to go get that one for you.
No, we'll get that later. I'm worried if you get over there too far, the stove's gonna end up on your head.
Oh, look, chocolates. We might have to cut that one. Oh, that. Oh, this is too fast. Go way up here. Two hoods right there.
Yeah, they're both different too. One says an extract on it.
Yeah. More bottles over here in the corner. You know, a bunch of your newer stuff here that we will go through later on. See if I can't pull out anything. Piques my interest. Standard store 5 cent. I don't see any local pharmacies or anything like that for right now. Those boxes will be gone too. Trademark Coca-Cola there. Pyro, so put that in there. Out labeled on that one. Pancake syrup. That's what those blue bottles were. Pancake syrup. Reach on over here. Chamberlain's cough remedy. Right there. You know, med. So, didn't even have to dig in the ground for these. So, all that's going to be gone through later on. You know, you got irons right there that we're going to take. That must be a good lamp back there. Amber lamp. The amber lamp back there. Hallway back there.
See it? Where's that?
Go get it.
Go get it. I don't know enough space.
See the irons here?
Yeah.
Irons
Yeah.
and the butter churn.
School desk.
Butter churn's pretty cool. Here, get a picture of the butter churn. That's pretty neat, guys. If you never have seen one of them, it's
Oh,
got the paddles inside. I don't know if you can see that on the video here with the lighting or not. But basically, just crank it around and
hey,
make some butter.
watch this one. Okay, this isn't anything here, but you know, few things in there. But you open this up, you start pulling out insulators.
Nice.
Whole box of insulators right there. So really cool. So let me pull out.
Well, the egg scale's nice in the front too.
Yeah.
I just let the whole thing
Let
sit.
the
'cause
thing
you've got
sit there.
weight there.
So that's pretty cool. A box of insulators. Keep on making my way down. Another school desk.
that floor.
Well, I can see for one. Let's see what that is.
Lego Club? Still didn't see the lamp he was talking about.
Of course, you know,
No.
there's bottles under this floor here. Just jaws. Another atlas. You know, just atlas with the barrel on it. Put my head down under the floor real quick. Oh my. Oh my goodness. Just
Well, what is that one?
Land Company.
Out of Reading?
Ready.
What? That's crazy. That's older than most of the rest of the stuff up in his attic.
It's under there's a crap ton of bottles under the floor, Dad.
Really?
Yeah. There's bottles under the floor.
There's a fly on the front.
Oh, that ain't nothing.
Mamanola Company. Reading, PA. 140. Anything else like this in there?
I don't know till you rip up the floor. Nothing there, so keep on making our way around. This probably we're probably going to be back up here cleaning out. As I said, we all planning on heading over soon. Look at all this, guys. Just $10 check. So keep on making our way around, see if I can see any last minute finds.
That hole over there is where that,
Milk came from.
yeah.
Cast iron stove. There's another milk I see. I mean, never look down on some of the stuff still in the packages either. People collect anything.
I like all the kids' toys up there.
So that wasn't anything special.
What?
There you go.
No, I don't think it's anything, but
Lunchbox back there. That should be a good one. Get smart. Lunchbox collectors out there. Keep on making way over.
don't step on those berry boxes.
See one last box of bottles that I'm going to head on over to. Make my way there. Bunch of toys up here. I mean, it was someone's house. You know. Dr. Haino's from Providence, Rhode Island, right here. So, and yep, little embossed right there in a box. So we get the box out of here then. So keep on making our way over here. Another box. Don't see anything special. Alrighty. So that will be all Y&B Harrisburg. So here we go, guys. Witchwood Farms Springhouse PA milk bottle. Pyro. That is a very good milk bottle right there.
And that's the second one of those we've pulled out of this house.
So Force Point came the fourth day when my dad bought the salvage rights and the rights for the contents of the building. So again, we have full access here. I wouldn't recommend doing this if you don't have access, because it is dangerous and it is, you know, against the law just to get in here and do stuff like that. So I think that will be all. I assume that you guys will be seeing this property again. We're going to spend a few Saturdays up here with a pickup, just pulling stuff out and bringing it back. Most stuff will be for sale under my dad's company, David W. Fordig, he craftsman. 2 locations, one in Newville, one in Carlisle. So check him out. He's on Facebook too. But other than that, thanks for watching. You guys will be back up here, so see you later.